In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iMessage activation error. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. Now, it can be really annoying if iMessage isn't working and you're getting some activation error. So the best thing to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down and go over to mobile service. Once you're here, if you have two SIMs that are currently enabled, like maybe an eSIM or anything like that, go ahead and disable that and just make sure your main SIM with your main phone number is the one that is enabled. Then go back, scroll down, go to apps at the very bottom, then look for your messages application. You can even search for it at the bottom. Once you go ahead and click on your messages application, if iMessage is turned on, go ahead and turn it off and then return it on again, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet. But anyways, thank you for watching.